Have you ever wondered about the current state of Zimbabwe's economy, particularly the intriguing role of those elusive illegal money changers? Today, we delve into this intricate situation, guided by the insightful perspectives of key figures, including John Mushayavanhu, the governor of the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, RBZ. In a recent meeting with the Zimbabwe National Chamber of Commerce, Mushayavanhu defended the police's robust approach towards these illegal traders. He stated, "From where we sit as a central bank, anyone who is trading in Forex should have a license." This statement came in response to concerns about the perceived heavy-handedness of law enforcement in dealing with these traders. Mushayavanhu further clarified that the police's role is to uphold the rule of law and order. He continued, "The police have to intervene and arrest those committing offenses. It is illegal for them to sell or buy Forex without a license. You will be arrested if you do that." He drew a parallel with selling goods without appropriate permits, emphasizing the necessity of lawful conduct in all aspects of the economy. Interestingly, Mushayavanhu took a firm stance on the future of the parallel market, predicting its eventual demise with the increasing usage of Zimbabwe gold, the new currency. He acknowledged that, at present, a significant 80% of transactions in the country occur in USD. However, he anticipates the dominance of foreign currency to diminish in the coming months, aligning with the de-dollarization roadmap. So what can we glean from this discussion? Firstly, the Zimbabwean authorities are committed to curbing illegal money-changing activities and promoting lawful conduct in the economy. Secondly, the new currency, Zimbabwe gold, is expected to play a significant role in the economy's future, potentially displacing the current dominance of the USD. And finally, the journey towards de-dollarization is in full swing, indicating a shift in Zimbabwe's economic landscape. Thank you for joining us as we navigated the complexities of Zimbabwe's economy. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on global economic issues.